Welcome to Just Hodl, the channel where we explore the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. In this video, we will guide you through the process of creating a MetaMask wallet, which is an essential tool for interacting with decentralized applications on the Ethereum blockchain. What is MetaMask? MetaMask is a popular B3 wallet that allows users to interact with decentralized applications dApps on the Ethereum blockchain. It is a browser extension that can be added to Chrome, Firefox, Opera, and Brave, and is available for both desktop and mobile devices. Step 1. Install MetaMask extension. The first step in creating a MetaMask wallet is to install the MetaMask extension on your web browser. MetaMask is available on Chrome, Firefox, Brave, and other popular web browsers. To install, simply visit the MetaMask website and click the download button that corresponds with your browser. Step 2. Create a new wallet. Once you have installed the MetaMask extension, click on the MetaMask icon in your browser's toolbar to open the extension. If this is your first time using MetaMask, you will be prompted to create a new wallet. Click on the Create a Wallet button to begin. Step 3. Set a password and save seed phrase. Next, you will be asked to set a password for your new wallet. Choose a strong password and make sure to store it securely. You will also be given a seed phrase, which is a set of 12 words that can be used to recover your wallet if you forget your password. Write down your seed phrase and keep it in a safe place. Step 4. Confirm seed phrase. To ensure that you have saved your seed phrase correctly, you will be asked to confirm the phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. Make sure to double-check your selection to avoid any mistakes. Step 5. Connect to the Ethereum network. After confirming your seed phrase, you will be prompted to connect to the Ethereum network. Make sure to select the main Ethereum network unless you have a specific reason to use a different network. Step 6. Start using MetaMask. Congratulations, you have successfully created a MetaMask wallet. You can now use your wallet to send and receive Ethereum and other ERC20 tokens, interact with decentralized applications, and participate in blockchain-based transactions. In conclusion, creating a MetaMask wallet is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few simple steps. With your new wallet, you will have access to the world of decentralized finance and the many benefits that come with it. Thank you for watching Just Hodl, and we hope that you found this guide helpful.